Hi there, Sarah here with Sara Olmsted Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am going to do a product demo on the reversible tote. So I have the safari weave here, and the reversible tote, this is the same size as the around town tote. But what the cool thing about this tote is that, as its name says, it's reversible. So on the outside, or let me get this close up so you can see, the material is like, the best way to probably describe it is like a tapestry. It's just not as thick as a tapestry material. But so as you can see on the bottom here, you have the distressed brown pebble on the bottom to give it, but otherwise it's a very collapsible bag because it is, as said, reversible. You have, of course, on the burgundy side, the lining of the brown distressed pebble faux leather, but you can sit there and you just turn it inside out. And I haven't cut off the tags here. You can of course cut off the tags, but so that hard bottom now, you just make sure on the bottom that it comes to the corners. But now you sit and you have the safari weave in a, it's still a tan. It looks like a gray, but a tan with the burgundy elephants. So of course, since it's reversible, there are no pockets, no cell phone pockets on the outside, the big pocket on the inside like 31 usually has. It's just the fun reversible bag. So it comes in two colors. It runs at $68, comes in two colors. The other color is called the Rio Weave, which is this one. So there are, it also is the brown distressed pebble faux leather. This one is one of the small kind of ruby mini bags that you have a choice of. Also doing where it's reversible. There's multiple products in the catalog. Well, no, there are a couple products in the catalog that are reversible, but here's the other side of the Rio Weave. So you have the Rio Weave choice for the reversible or the Safari reversible with the elephants. So again, this one runs for $68. Just make sure you click below if you want to get more information about the product. But otherwise, if you like these demos, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.